This is Ian Lamont, author of Google Drive and Docs in 30 Minutes. If you're a Mac user and you have the Google Drive for Desktop app, here's how to set up a new folder to be synced between your computer and Google Drive. So we're looking at Google Drive, and basically what I want to do to access the desktop app, it's called Drive for Desktop. Go to the menu bar at the top of your Mac screen and look for the icon that looks like a little black and white Google Drive icon. If you don't see it, then use a Spotlight search to find the Google Drive for desktop app. And so I'm going to click on that. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the settings icon. This looks like a little gear. Click on preferences. And then you should see either a list of the files that are currently being synced, or you should see something like this where it says add folder. In either situation, actually, you'll see an option to add folder. So I'm going to add a folder. And it basically, what it did is it opened up my existing Google Drive folder on my Mac desktop. What I want to do is I actually want to do this particular folder, and then what I'm going to do is just sync this one folder, this marketing folder, and press open. Okay, so it's prompting me sync with Google Drive, upload all files, folders, including photos and videos. If you edit or remove files, those changes will be automatically synced. So just to be clear here, this is only for this particular folder, this marketing folder. It's not including everything on my computer that's going to be synced with Google Drive. I'm going to press done, and then save, and then this particular folder will start syncing. If this video helped, please take a moment to like or subscribe. I have links to more resources in the description and bio. Thanks so much for watching.